Hi guys, welcome to this video. Happy New Year. If you're hearing my name for the first time, well, we are here once again, and today I'm going to show you Lunar Crush, a quick review of Lunar Crush and how you can make money from it, how you can use all the features on Lunar Crush. So I'm not going to go so totally deep on everything, but I will just hit on one thing so deep. That is where to predict coins that will pump before the market says so. Okay. So very quickly, if you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. If you stay to the end of this video, you're going to see a whooping bonus at the end of this video. Okay. So kindly stay with me as I proceed. Okay. So these are various sections of Lunar Crush. You can see this side. It's the you can put your video on landscape so you can see the full screen as it appears on my laptop. Okay. So these are the top exchanges as you can see there. Um, so likely it's advised to have all these exchanges. Okay. So these are the top influencers. You can also go and follow them on Twitter. These are Twitter handle. You can have good updates. Okay. You can also go on this is the recently added coins that just came out. You can see them. You can check the analysis. These are altcoin ranking based on social media metrics. Okay, so let's check two sides. So the first thing, like I said, is on Lunar Crush what is called the coin of the day. So let me go on just look at market. I hope it goes through fast as I want it. Don't really have much time to spend on this stuff. So trying to click up stuff. All right, guys. So this is the market as I just clicked on the market. So it's showing based on a filter. I'll show you how I did the filter. Okay. Now these are coins that are pumping right now. I just discovered it. Okay, I'm already on this fuse. Okay, so I'll show you how I got to this place. All right, so the first thing you need to do is you go on that. This is the coin department. And when you're checking this stuff, I click on filter. This I call filter. Now filtering based on the coin that is being talked about the most on social media right now. See what I did. Let me show you the filter. My laptop shouldn't just go straight so we can have the best time on this session. This is the ranking of it. I'll tell you about this. This is the price of the coin. As you can see. This coin just did 42% between the last 1 hour. Okay. Social volume. That coin like that just coming out with that 2.7 for social media engagement. Okay. Ranking these things for you. Look at it. This one has a higher rank, it's social dominance. Okay. So guys, look at what I want to click on. So I've clicked on the filter side to take me to the filter. So I can show you how I got to this. Okay, so on this side, what I did was that I checked three things. I checked based on the key things on Lunar Crush. These are all the things. It has bullish sentiment, average sentiment, social contributor, social dominance, social engagement. If I remove this social volume, social dominance, social engagement, I'm not going to know the coin that is trending. Yes, so it will change to a different. Look at what I just did now. To change to a different volume there, you can see. This is showing even the price within the last 24 hours, the price in the 1% price, the 4 hours of the market cap, market volume dominant. Okay. Volatility, circulating supply, market dominance. So you can check on market dominance, but for you to know the coin that is pumping, you have to check on social dominance. So for people that know, cause coin that is going to stay for a long time, or let's say you can just check market dominance. I'll show you. You can I have a full course on Udemy on this that is launching like I think like 10 days from now. So, but on this video, you can check these things out yourself. But look at what I want to check. I'll show you. I did this on my other video, but a lot of people complained that they didn't see the full screen. All right, so this is this side on Galaxy Score. Galaxy Score is about the coins that will do well, the coins that are more relevant, and even these odd ranking, they're almost similar stuff. Now, when I click these things, it means that these are the key things I'm looking for. You seeing this? If I click any of these things, these are the key things I'm looking at for that they should rank it. They should show the thing, or they should show these things on the list. And they should also rank it. So look at what I'm doing now. I'll just click on this. Look at what we show. Now Galaxy Score. Now most times you said when a coin has a very good Galaxy Score, you tend to go for it. So you can see on Galaxy Score now, this coin, Mox Dodge, has one of the best Galaxy Score, 75% and 85% alternative. So you can check, you can click, what does this thing mean? You click on it, you read it. These are just so many things about Lunar Crush. And you can see if you watch my video, I'm the first Nigerian YouTuber to post about this online. Make video about teaching you this online. So this is what the gurus don't want to tell you about. They don't want to teach you about this so that you keep paying for pump and dump goods. Look at it. It is number one coin on the platform. Has alternative these foods. You can see has the Galaxy Score. Okay, I just clicked on this alt again. So let me take it out. Okay. It's actually ranking them out. Look at Save Moon. Save Moon is doing this volume. Okay. Look at Twitter doing this volume. Okay. Look at it. You can always go to the filter and check. Now let's go back to now the main thing of this video is to know the coin that is pumping now so that I can buy it. Okay. So I'll go on what I will do now. I'll click on social dominance, social engagement, social dominance. Okay, once the part I want to pay more attention. Okay, so I'll click on save. So I want to check it on social dominance. You can also go on Reddit, Twitter. You can check all these. I'm just telling you how to analyze coins. How to analyze coins, guys. You can see based on Galaxy Score, this coin has a social dominance. Let me see. How am I ranking it? 36, 24% social engagement. Let's see if there's still more. You guys see what I will do? I'll use the filter. I'll click on. Has a very, it's like the coins are dumped, so I'm telling you that social dominance. So check, we're going to use social engagement. Check, social dominance. How many people are talking about the social dominance, social engagement? So check, just be checking the side I showed the first time, and you can check for a lot of things at the same time. Not showing me my volume. Okay, like I said, this is the coin, social dominance. Look at it, it's ranked on forward basis. You can see. So this coin has done 81%. Remember that the first time I checked it, it was 40 something percent. Now it has gone to 81%. I think it means the social volume is 91. It's just coming. Like, I think it's the coin that is just coming out. So you can actually click on the coin to find out the exchange. You can buy the coin. Let's click on it. Then click on the coin and say, okay, this coin, where can I actually find this coin? I want to buy it. So click on it. So you can see that look, there are lots of opportunities on the coin. You can see, look at the chart of the coin. You can even go on the exchange that the coin is and check it out. Look at it. These are the influencer that follows the coin. So let's say you want to put real big money into project. You can check the influencers. What is the last thing the influencer did? You can check for the other influencers post about this. These are the influencers that are influencing this coin. This is where the coin is. Okay, this is where this is trading pair. MKD over USDC. Try to view all. Let me go. Color this coin. So I want to really know the exchange. If I don't really see the exchange, then I will just have to buy it from Trust Wallet, PancakeSwap. Because all these coins are all on PancakeSwap. So pay attention, guys. All these coins are on PancakeSwap. You see, it has done this volume, so you can be able to know the coin that has come. And again, Lunar Crush has what is called the coin of the day. Now, that coin of the day most times comes out in US time. Is it 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. on the daily basis? That's for Nigerian time. Okay, so there's a lot of news here about it. I want to find out what is trending. That coin of the day most times of the dashboard. You check your phone. That is cool. But I don't really use more of the laptop version. I want to see the coin of the day. You can check coin of the day, guys. Coin of the day. Having a sloppy internet network. That's Twitter. It's taking me to Twitter. So. All right, so shared. Let's go back to the market side. It has a lot of social intelligence going on this platform. I actually use them to do scalping on Binance. What I do is that anytime that the coin of the day is on Binance, what I'll do, I'll try to at least get 10 or 15% profit on that coin for that day. So when I go and see that the coin of the day, I'll check every 2 p.m. As I'm trying to show you the coin of the day. This the laptop version. I don't know how to really book it out. By the way, you can also download the app. I don't know whether the coin of the day offers. Currently, these are ones based on social media dominance. There's a coin just overtook this one recently. You can see a coin just overtook it recently. So guys, this is how these things work. These are these things work. These are based on recently and all that. This coin just came out. I can check, oh, this coin where I just refreshed and this coin just came out. There's a lot of things going on there. So don't just go and make researches and without much ado. Let's even show you the traffic that is. I'll show you the number of traffic this website have. Okay. So kindly subscribe to this video if you have not subscribed, and I'll look forward to hearing more from you. When the Udemy, that's my international course, I will show you my Udemy link so you can get it on Udemy. So the coin is still a new coin. Look at the trading price. Coin just came out with something. At the trading price. And click to see everything about it, but it's on Uniswap, it's on Unis, if I can see it on. If it's the Ethereum blockchain. So guys, kindly subscribe to this video. I'm going to post more about this. Like I have 3 other videos about this. There's even a coin on Lunar Crush coin. I need to talk about it on the next video. Then show you how to take advantage of coin of the day and scalp. Look at this coin has done this number of percentage. The people that get this prediction can just, well, they have done 100% in their coin and their token. These are people win. They don't just do things like that. The influencers again, you can follow the influencers. If you want to make money from buying coins, you need to follow this video. And this is a very good video for us. Okay, so guys, see you on the best side of life. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the like button. I'm gonna post more about it. If you have questions, drop in the comment section, guys. I just showed you. I hope you took note of the coins that don't, how to identify them. Okay, be ending this video now. Take advantage of this secret. And watch the video step by step so you can understand it better.